So there are some structures I want to share with you. These are advanced structure, we can say. Okay, if you want to say, we always say that ईश्वर कहाँ नहीं है, ईश्वर कहाँ नहीं है, ईमानदारी कहाँ नहीं है. So we are not asking a question, just we are confirming that कि ईश्वर तो सब जगह है, बुराइयां तो हर जगह हैं. ओके, बुरे लोग तो हर जगह हैं, ईमानदार लोग तो सभी जगह पाए जाते हैं. So when we want to say this type of word, so we are not asking a question, but if we are translating into English, so we must think that, oh, these are interrogative, but these are not interrogative. Okay, so I want to give you, ईश्वर कहाँ नहीं है. So we can say God is omnipresent. Omnipresent means everywhere, everywhere. ईश्वर कहाँ नहीं है, God is omnipresent means भगवान हर जगह है. Okay, the next one is बुरे लोग कहाँ नहीं है, means ऐसे कौन सी जगह है जहाँ बुरे लोग नहीं है, हर जगह बुरे लोग हैं. So we can say the bad are everywhere. The bad are everywhere, or we can say bad people are everywhere. Okay, we are using the, so there is no use and need to use people. Okay, the bad are everywhere, or we can say bad people are everywhere.
Everywhere.
Yeah. The next, पापी लोग कहाँ नहीं हैं.
Yes.
Everywhere, everyone, if we go find, and so there are many people are, they are liar, they are committing sins. So yeah, so sinners are at every step. हर कदम पर पापी लोग हैं, means everywhere. Okay, sinners are at every step. Okay, आज तो जियो का नेटवर्क सब जगह फैल गया है. ओके, सो वी कैन से आज जियो का नेटवर्क कहाँ नहीं है, हर जगह तो है. So we can say network of Jio is everywhere. Everywhere. Okay. And the next one is when we sometimes say that कहीं ऐसा ना हो, कहीं ऐसा ना हो कि, कहीं ऐसा ना हो जाए कि, so that is lest. Lest. We use the word lest for that. Okay. वह कहीं चला ना जाए, means कहीं ऐसा ना हो कि वो चला जाए. So we can say, so let he go away. Go away. Okay. तुम कहीं भाग ना जाओ. So lest you run away.
Lest.
Yeah.
Lest.
Lest. L-E-S-T. Lest.
Okay.
Okay. कलम कहीं खो ना जाए. Lest the pen get lost. खोना, get lost or lost. We can say both. Okay. So कलम कहीं खो ना जाए. The pen, lest the pen get lost.
Get lost. Okay.
Okay. And the next one is तुम्हें कोई देख ना ले. छुप जाओ, तुम्हें कोई देख ना ले. So hide yourself lest anybody see you.
Anybody see, lest anybody see.
Anybody see you. Okay. जल्दी करो कहीं ट्रेन ना छूट जाए. So hurry up lest train depart. Okay. And the next one is bound to. Bound to is a word when we shows that it is definite to happen. When the something is definite to happen, something is decided to happen. कुछ चीज तय है होने को, या कुछ चीज का होना तय ही है. जैसे पानी गिरना तय है. आज तो लगता है कि पानी गिरना तय है. उसका मार्केट जाना तो तय है, उसका अब्रॉड जाना तो निश्चित है. So in that case we use bound to. Okay?
Bound to.
Yeah. आपको अंग्रेजी सीखना ही है, आपको अंग्रेजी सीखना ही है. It means ये तय है कि आपको अंग्रेजी सीखना है. So you are bound to learn English. You are bound to learn English. Yeah. तुम्हें रेस जीतना ही है. तुम्हें रेस जीतना ही है. ये तय है कि तुम्हें रेस जीतना है. So you are bound to win the race. You are bound to win the race. Yeah. इस पेड़ को तो गिरना ही है. इस पेड़ को तो गिरना ही है. It means it is definite to this tree is falling down. Okay. So we can say this tree is bound to fall down. This tree is bound to fall down. Yeah. And in past we can say we must say प्यार तो होना ही था. So we can say it was bound to be love. It was bound to be love. Okay. उसे तो डॉक्टर, या उसे तो डॉक्टर बनना ही था. It was definite that he would become a doctor. So उसे तो डॉक्टर बनना ही था. So we can say he was bound to be a doctor. He was bound to be a doctor.
Yes.
Okay. उसे तो तुम्हारी फ्रेंड बनना ही था. या फिर I can say मुझे तो आपकी फ्रेंड बनना ही था. So I was bound to be your friend.
Yes, bound to be your friend. Yes.
Okay. So these
Yes.
are very helpful phrases we use day-to-day conversation.
Yes. Yes. So
Yeah.
it's wonderful, really. Very helpful
Okay.
for when we are having conversation. Yes.
Yeah. And sometimes we say पागल कहीं का, मूर्ख कहीं का, बुद्धू कहीं का. So it's a sounds that it's a tricky, but it's not a tricky word. It's very
Yes.
simple. Okay. We can say मूर्ख कहीं का. So we can say you are an utter fool. You are an utter fool.
Utter fool.
Okay. Utter means very
Very,
too much.
very.
Yeah, too much.
Yes.
Yeah. So चोर कहीं का. You are an utter thief.
Utter fool.
पागल कहीं का. You are a
Utter.
big mad. You are a big mad. You are a utter mad. You are a
Utter.
fully mad. Yeah, we can say. So that time.
Yes.
Okay. सन की
If
कहीं का.
I
You are
say
an
they,
utter freak.
yes, if I say that I understand very well, so utterly I convince with you. I utterly convince with you.
Yeah.
Utterly.
Yeah,
Utter.
पूरी तरह से completely.
पूरी
Yeah,
तरह से completely.
completely. So that is why we are कहें तुम पूरी तरह से मूर्ख हो, बिल्कुल मूर्ख हो. So you are an utter fool.
Utter.
Yeah.
And when we see
So,
some word, so utter is that how to pronounce the word utter.
yeah, utter. Yeah, a way of
Yes.
pronouncing is also called utter. Uttering
Utter.
the word.
Yes, uttering the word.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
yeah, sometimes the word has different
Yes.
meaning according to the sentence and according to the situation.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So I had that much of words, so I shared with you. So do you want to try this to make?
Yes, yes, of course.
Okay. So ईमानदारी कहाँ नहीं है? Means
Okay.
honesty is everywhere.
Okay. So what's the word?
No, there is no particular. There is
Okay.
no particular structure. It is everywhere. Whatever you want to say, it is everywhere. Yeah.
Everywhere. So what did you say that? Repeat again.
Honesty, honesty.
Honesty. Honesty is
ईमानदारी कहाँ नहीं है?
so
Yeah,
honesty is everywhere.
honesty is everywhere. Okay.
Yes.
And अच्छे लोग हर जगह हैं.
The good people are everywhere.
Yeah. चलो कहीं ऐसा ना हो कि बारिश होने लगे. Let's okay, hurry up. Let's
Hurry up. Let's.
it start rain.
Yes,
It
it's
starts rain.
right. Okay.
आपका तो नौकरी पाना तय है.
It
Bound to.
it's bound to
No,
what?
you are bound.
You are bound to get a job. Get your
Get a
job.
job. Yeah,
Get a
you are
job.
bound to get a job. We have to use a bound to with is MR.
Okay, bound to
Is
with a
is
bound
MR
to.
plus bound to. Is
Okay,
MR plus bound to. You
okay, is
are
am
bound to. I am bound to. He is bound to. She is bound to.
okay. You are bound to get a job.
Yeah, you are bound to get a job. I am bound to do practice.
Yes. Okay. It's good.
Okay. So these are completed, and that was
Okay.
nice and wonderful
Yes.
conversation
Yes,
and very
it's a
useful.
very good practice as well. I had
Yeah,
good practice. It's a wonderful. Yes.
yeah. So that's enough for today, and we
Uh,
will meet next time for something else with something
yes.
else.
Yes. So with a something special topic and ideas. Yes.
Yeah, yeah, of course.